Hey, what's up, Boyd Drivers? Andrew Hauser here. Hey guys, it's Sunday afternoon. Came up to the shop real quick. We got some guys loading up behind me, getting ready to head out for the week. Um, we got a winter storm coming in. It's a big one, and it's named Uri by the Weather Channel. And so this is going to be pretty widespread, right through the sweet spot of where we operate through the South. Okay, guys, I know we're making a living. I know we're out there trying to take care of our customers, but nothing is worth your safety. So please hear me. Communication is key this week. Reach out to the driver support line. I'm up here doing this little selfie video by myself. I'll try and put in a number here in just a second where you can call the guys. Paul and some of the guys are downstairs. We're bringing in some extra folks this afternoon through this evening because we know that you might have a bunch of phone calls. We're always staffed 24/7, but we're bringing extra help in the next few days. Make sure you got diesel in the tank. Make sure you run the truck. Make sure you're checking the truck. Guys, make sure you got stuff packed in there in case you're stuck in the truck. Bottom line, if you don't feel safe, shut it down and give us a call. Let us know. We'll work things out with the customer. We also know that this could impact the house while you're on the road. So if something happens and you need some help, give your dispatcher a call and we'll do what we can. We're family over here at Boyd and we'll take care of each other. Guys, we'll keep you posted as we go through this. Stay safe, take care of each other, call if you need help. We'll see you soon.